Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts up to 7. By that I was click on Instagram account. Here we need to go to profile. So here you will see here we have a gamers. We need to click on that place. So I was clicking on here. So here we need to click on add account. I was clicking on add Instagram account. So after that we need to click on login an existing account. Here we need to click on switch accounts. I was typing a account of network uh, underscore up by network up by. After that I was continually logging with my Instagram account. So I have now two accounts. So we need to add multiple accounts. So I was adding the account. How to use multiple accounts means here we need to click on uh, here we will see the profile. Here you will see we need to double tap on that. So like this we can change different types of accounts. We can use different types of account like this double tapping. Thank you.